What is up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. We are back with episode number 48 for our stock investing portfolio on Revolut series. Quite a few weeks had already passed, so we will take a look into what we did for the month of August as a whole. First we will check into our moves and dividends, then the portfolio performance in our Google Sheets tracker, and lastly we will discuss the future for this particular series. So let's start with the first part. So these are all the changes in the portfolio for the month of August, and on the 3rd we received the dividends from AT&T, where we got $1.86 for our position. Then on the same day we bought $20 into Take-Two Interactive, where we got 0.127 of a share at $156.96 per share. On the 4th of August we bought $20 into Mastercard, where we got 0.054 of a share at $366.93. And the last move for that week was again $20 into Take-Two Interactive for 0.127 of a share at $157.09. Then we added $60 and on August 9th we bought $20 worth of Barrick Gold. There we got 0.974 of a share at $20.52 per share. On August 10th we received dividends from Mastercard, and that got us 12 cents for our position in the portfolio. On 11th of August we added $20 into Take-Two Interactive for 0.124 of a share at $160.18. On the 13th we added $20 into Vertex Pharmaceuticals, where we got 0.102 of a share at $195.29 per share. But on August 26th we sold out of our Vertex Pharmaceuticals position completely for $62.55. So that was a sale of 0.311 of a share at $201.02 per share. And lastly, on August 30 we got dividends from Citigroup, and that was 51 cents for our position there. So these were all the moves in August. Now let's go into Google Sheets to take a look into the performance. This is here our public Revolut portfolio on Google Sheets. If you want to check it out yourself, there is a link for it in the description below. And if you would like to use it for yourself, just make a copy of it after opening, and then you can edit any lines into your positions there. Feel free to add a comment if you have any questions about using this tracker. Now we will take a look into the best position percentage-wise for each sector that we have invested in. So in communication services, that will be Alphabet, ticker symbol GOOGL, where we have 0.04 of a share. Our average buying price here was $1,502.92, and the current market price is $2,816. So our cost basis was $60, and the current market value for the position is $112.42. This means that we are up for $52.42 on this position, and that is an increase of 87.37%. The position takes up 3.32% of the portfolio and 15.24% of exposure in this sector. In consumer discretionary, our best performer is Mcdonald's, ticker symbol MCD, where we have 1.044 of a share. The average buying price here is $210.66, and the current market price is at $242.49. The cost basis for the position is $220, and the current market value for it is $253.24. So we are up for $33.24 on the position, and that is an increase for 15.11%. The position takes up 7.48% of the portfolio and 50.83% of exposure in this sector. In consumer staples, our best performer is Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, with 1.488 of a share. The average buying price here is $134.41, and the current market price is $144.73. The cost basis on this position is $200, and the market value is $215.35. This means that we are up for $15.35 on the position, and that is an increase of 7.68%. Walmart takes up 6.46% of the portfolio, and that is 67.35% of exposure in the consumer staples sector. We currently have no positions in energy, so we will skip that one. And next for financials, our best performer is Mastercard, ticker symbol MAE, where we currently own 0.375 of a share. The average buying price was at $320.34, and the current market price is at $343.04. For this position we have invested $120, and now the position is worth $128.50. This means that we are up for $8.50, and that is an increase of 7.09%. Mastercard takes up 3.79% of our portfolio, and that is 55.42% of exposure in financial sector. In healthcare, the best performer is Thermo Fisher Scientific, ticker symbol TMO, where we got 0.176 of a share. Our average buying price is at $454.86. And the current market price is at $596.80. So the cost basis for this position is $80, and the market value here is now $104.96. This means that we are up for $24.96, and that is an increase of 31.21%. The position takes up 3.1% of the portfolio and 53.86% of exposure in the sector. In industrials, we only have one position, and that is Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, with 0.276 of a share. The average buying price here is at $362.83, and the current market price is $340.98. The cost basis is $100, but the current market value is $93.98. So we are down for $6.02 on this position, and that is a loss of 6.2%. Lockheed Martin takes 2.78% of the portfolio, and that is currently 100% of our exposure in the industrial sector. In information technology, our best performer is Western Digital, WDC, with 2.235 of a share. The average buying price was at $35.34, and the current market price is $57.92. The cost basis here is $79, and the current market price for the position is $129.46. So we are up for $50.46, and that is an increase of 63.87%. The position takes up 3.82% of the portfolio, and that is 12.68% of exposure in information technology sector. For materials, we only have one position, and that is Barrick Gold, ticker symbol GOLD, where we own 4.689 of a share. The average buying price is $21.33, and the current market price is $18.36. The cost basis for the position is $100, and the current market value of it is $86.08. This means that we are down for $13.92, and that is a loss of 13.92% for this position. Barrick takes up 2.54% of the portfolio, and that is 100% of our exposure in materials sector. We currently have no positions on real estate, so we will skip that. And then for utilities, our best performer is Consolidated Edison, ticker symbol ED, where we got 0.582 of a share. The average buying price here is $68.72, and the current market price is $73.07. The cost basis on the position is $40, and the current market value is $42.53. This means that we are up for $2.53, and that is a gain of 6.33%. The position takes up 1.26% of the portfolio, and that is 44.95% of exposure in utility sector. And lastly, we still have $81.09 available to invest, which makes up 2.39% of our portfolio. So to sum up, the portfolio is now valued at $3,386.53, and we ourselves have deposited $3,180. This means that we are now up for $206.53, and that is an increase of 6.49%. Now let's take a look into our exposure for each position. So we have 3.3% of our portfolio invested in Alphabet, 3.4% in AT&T, 9.1% in Take-Two Interactive, 6% in Baidu, 7.5% in McDonald's, 7.2% in Alibaba, 6.4% in Walmart, 1.8% in Kimberly Clark, 1.3% in Cisco, 3.8% in Mastercard, 3.1% in Citigroup, 2.7% in Johnson & Johnson, 3.1% in Thermo Fisher Scientific, 2.8% in Lockheed Martin, 3.8% in Western Digital, 2.4% in Intel, exactly 5% in Microsoft, 3.4% in Sony, 6.8% in Qualcomm, 5.1% in Canadian Solar, 3.6% in Autodesk, 2.5% in Barrick Gold, 1.3% in Consolidated Edison, 2.3% in Sempra Energy, and there is 2.4% still available in cash. Scrolling just a bit lower, we will check how the portfolio is diversified by different sectors. So we have 21.8% invested in communication services, 14.7% in consumer discretionary, 9.4% in consumer staples, 6.8% in financials, 5.8% in healthcare, 2.8% in industrials, 30.2% in information technology, 2.5% in materials, and 3.6% in utilities. So for just over a year, we have been adding money and buying stocks in Revolut, currently holding over 20 different names, getting that capital appreciation and receiving dividends. But now I believe that the portfolio has ran its course, and we will have to take it slower on it from here. This means that I will no longer be contributing new funds to it, and will also have to stop buying fractional shares each week. But that doesn't at all mean that we cut all the progress that we had up until today. I will still be holding all the shares, following the names and receiving dividends. I will also be buying and selling with what already is in the portfolio whenever I see fit. And then maybe I can also do a portfolio update once a month, so you are still able to follow that progress here. But the slowdown here just means that we will turn that focus somewhere else. And what I have in mind is the eToro trading portfolio. So this is what we will be focusing on going further. New funds will be continuously added and will trade our highest conviction plays on the platform. I have already started a series on it. You can find the latest video for it in the description below. As already mentioned, if you're interested in that Google Sheets tracker, you can access it whenever you like. There is a link for it in the description below. And if you want to use it yourself, just make a copy and then you can edit it up however you like. Also, if you have any questions about it, then feel free to add a comment under the video. I will make sure to answer any of those. Otherwise, feel free to DM me on Facebook or Instagram. We can definitely have a chat on those. So that was it. If you got value or new ideas, then make sure to push that thumbs up, it helps the channel a lot. Which stocks have you been buying or selling recently? Share your best moves in a comment below. If you are interested to know exactly when I buy or sell any stock, then consider memberships. By becoming a member, you will get access to Discord, where I share my stock watchlist and the moves exactly when I do them. This could be a great option to track my buys and sells closely. This week we did a stock comparison on a few most popular EV names from China, and there is also an update for our eToro stock trading portfolio. If you are interested in any of these, then click on a video currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one.